Welcome. Here is your U2 apartment tour. This newly renovated second-floor apartment offers a bright, thoughtfully designed layout that combines comfort, functionality, and versatility. As you enter the home, you'll immediately notice the spacious, sun-filled kitchen. Large windows invite natural light throughout the day, creating a warm and welcoming space that's well-suited for preparing meals, gathering, or simply enjoying everyday living. The apartment features a well-proportioned primary bedroom that comfortably accommodates a queen-size bed, along with a second bedroom ideally suited for a full-size bed. Upstairs, 2 additional attic bedrooms each feature their own windows, providing natural light and flexible space that can be adapted to a variety of needs. The bathroom offers a comfortable layout with room to accommodate a queen-size vanity, while updated finishes throughout the apartment contribute to a fresh, modern appearance. Good closet space provides practical storage, helping keep the home organized and uncluttered. Heat, water, and cooking gas are included for added convenience. Located near the intersection of 140s and Rockaway Boulevard in Queens, the apartment places you close to many of the area's everyday conveniences and transportation options. JFK International Airport is just minutes away, making travel convenient. Nearby Baisley Pond Park offers walking paths, athletic fields, open green spaces, and recreational facilities, providing an enjoyable place to spend time outdoors. Public transportation is easily accessible, with nearby MTA bus routes connecting to the Jamaica Transportation Hub, where you'll find the E, J, and Z subway lines, the Long Island Railroad, and the Air Train JFK, offering convenient connections throughout Queens, Brooklyn, Manhattan, and Long Island. For drivers, the Wyck Expressway, Belt Parkway, and other major highways are all within easy reach, making travel throughout New York City straightforward. Neighborhood shopping, restaurants, grocery stores, and a variety of everyday services are also nearby, placing daily essentials within convenient reach. Thank you for taking this tour. If you would like more information about this apartment, or if you're interested in listing your own property, contact us at info@u2apartment.com.